go!
Hey, what, guys? What's up? We're chopping these up with an axe.
Yo, man, are you crazy?
Yep. Can we not cut them with an axe?
No, definitely not.
Fine. Yay.
Ow! Did you explode? Did one crack? Oh my gosh. Those are definitely exploding today.
Yep.
There's one, there's the other one. So, Kobe, you're going to hold it while
Opening these.
I put a Mento in. We're going to explode these with Mentos, guys.
Off of Colin's key. I don't know if it'll work if it has dirt on it.
I don't care. But you're opening those for me. I don't know how mine will explode.
Okay, guys. Are you ready? I'm always ready for this. 3, 2, 1. Wait, are they even mint?
Yeah! I'm standing back over here. You might want... When you put it in, run.
Oh my god!
No! Ah!
Oh!
No!
Bro!
You're...
Oh my god!
Well,
Bro! It exploded!
my turn.
Hold on.
You're opening mine, though. You have to open mine a little bit first.
Let's put 2 in this time.
Wait. Drink that. Now.
No.
It already did it, so it's not going to do it again. It's too low.
Oh, it's coming already.
Waste the Mentos.